Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today is the 7th of January and this is a new release of the daily wave review of the Forex and cryptocurrency market from Trade Hub. And we will start with a pair of euro-dollar. I think that the upward movement is over and we are getting the price acceleration in the downward direction. This may only be the beginning of a correction that may drag on for several months. Let me remind you that the targets of this correction are at around level of 1.16. Franc dollar. Yesterday I offered to close your sales for the franc and we got a price reversal. For full confidence that the decline is over, we need to get a 5-wave impulse, after which we need to get a correction and only then gain purchases for this pair. For the pound, I think that the global impulse has ended and we are expected to go into a correction. The targets of this correction are at level of 1.27. For the Canadian dollar, we are also likely to get a reversal and the price is going to a global correction. But to be sure of this, we need to get bigger impulse, so only after that we can plan new purchases. As for the dollar yen, I am also waiting for an impulse and correction in order to gain purchases for this pair. I would like you to remind that now the situation does not fit to enter new trades. All entry points will appear only after receiving the lead waves 1 and 2. Remember that patience is a key in trading, so do not rush. The Australian dollar has completed the formation of the third wave within the fifth wave of the older period, and after a slight correction within the wave 4, I expect the last impulse within wave 5 of 5. But we must be careful, as for all other pairs we most likely got a reversal, and here we have leg 1 upward impulse. I closed all my purchases for this pair. Everything is going according to plan on the WTI oil market. It looks like we have finished the impulse and the global correction awaits us. For this we need to monitor the structure of the price decline. It is important that it starts not with a zigzag but with an impulse. As for S&P index, I changed the structure of the movement and I think that we should also get a reversal in near future. Most likely we got a double zigzag within the ending diagonal with expanded flat in the wave X. As for me, I am out of the market for now and I am waiting for entry points. In the gold market, as we predicted, we completed an upward impulse with waves 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After which we get a downward movement within the first leg of the correction. The targets for this correction are at levels 1880, 1860 and 1840. Yesterday was a great selling point with a small stop. The stop was around $6 and the price dropped by $60. I think it was a great deal. Bitcoin. I changed count for Bitcoin. I suppose that we receive fifth wave or it is only wave 1 in this fifth wave of this period, and after a small correction we will get continuation of growth. That's all for today. Thank you for your attention. I hope it was useful for you. See you tomorrow.